Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Smart Reply in text messages on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, we're going to tap on the home key at the bottom to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to tap on the text messages app. In here, you want to tap on the option key at the top and then tap on settings from the pop-up. Then we go down and tap on suggestions in chat and then tap on smart reply switch to turn it on or off. So this is an example of what a smart reply may be depending on the text that Google read, and then it can come up something like this. So if I go back into my text message, and you can see in here I send myself a text message, how are you, and then it automatically knows the questions and it come up with a some of the response that you could use, such as good, fine, I'm good, not bad, and then you can just tap on it and it will automatically reply to that text message without you having to put in a reply at all. So that is kind of a cool way to reply without you having to actually type in. You can just tap on what is suggested, and that is the smart reply on the S21 series. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.